We can also try to concatenate two strings and we see what we have. So for example, using just our string here, let's say like greeting, let us give this equals to hello. Remember, you can use single or two quotes, and let's say name and give this to Tony. If we want to concatenate these strings, we can just use the plus sign. We may say hi, maybe let's hi equals to, let's say, to greeting, and let's put a space here. Yes, greeting, let's say plus sign here, and let's put a space here and press the name here. So if we go ahead and print hi here, if we print here, we're going to have hello tone. So this is how, guys, you can concatenate a string.